What up, y'all? It's your man, Wayne Train, back with another joint. I know it's an odd angle, but I don't know, I wanted to try something. But, oh man, 2019 is finally here, and I got a lot of catching up to do. But we're gonna skip all that and just get right into it. It's a video that I've been trying to get out for a minute. Super late, way late, but better late than never. This is my setup from my computer that I built a few months ago. Been rocking with it for a while. Wanted to see, I guess, basically if it was gonna hold up for me. And it has, and honestly, I guess we can get into that later, but in terms of Mac versus PC, which is better for, I guess, which is better for you, that's obviously gonna be your choice. But for me, I think going forward, I'm gonna be rocking with the PC, but we can get more into that in a little bit. But right now, I'm gonna show y'all what I got rocking with my PC build. So let's go ahead and check it out. So bam, here we are. This is my setup. Try to, I guess, as you can see, I try to do like a little black and white theme going here. You can check out the tower over there, looking all clean. You know, this is my first build. It was my first build. I mean, still is my first build. I haven't built anything since. Really interested in like actually expanding upon that. As far as my PC anyway, there's a lot of things I do need to add. I have to maneuver my fans and whatnot. We can kind of open that up too here in a second, but I guess just off top, just while we got this here. Well, here, let y'all check out the chair too. We got the white chair. The cable management is all bogus. I give people props for being able to do that cable management stuff, though. That's pretty crazy. But for me, I'm good. I'm good on where I'm at right now. Got the nice black desk. Picked that joint up on Craigslist or something for like $70. But yeah, we can kind of go piece by piece on what we got going. I got the desk over there, or the little shelf joint over there. I picked that up at Target. Just to go along with the theme, the record player on top. One of those crates on the bottom got some records in there. Nothing crazy. My collection is all of like 3. But I do want to kind of get that going too. So I do love music, so I don't make music. So as you can see, I got the Yamaha HS5s here. So I ain't really I ain't no studio, I ain't no producer, nothing like that. But I do like good quality music. I like listening to good quality music. So that's why I chose to do that. In the middle, I got the damn, I don't even know what the hell it's called. Whatever it is, I needed that to power my my speakers. Now we can go check out everything up here in depth a little bit. But here we go. Things ain't clean like they should be, so I'm sorry, don't judge me. I did wipe things down, but black is just so hard to maintain. I just cleaned this table yesterday, actually, but got my nice little microfiber cloth for the cleaning. Like I said, I ain't no producer, nothing like that, but I do got some Sennheiser joints. Picked these up for about $100, just because I like to have all that stuff just in case I need it. I like to be able to, if I'm not playing music out loud, then there we go. I can enjoy it with my open backs. And that's the first pair of open back headphones that I've actually owned. I might actually make a video on those too. They're old and whatnot. They're nothing new, but just to give you guys my opinion. But yeah, so moving right along, the big 34-inch wide, what's that, curved Samsung display. Forget the model number. I'll put some of that stuff in the description. All this stuff, I'll let you guys know like right off top. The only thing brand new I mean, my shelf here was brand new. I bought that brand new. Bought the speakers brand new. Bought my man. Why can't I remember what this thing is called? Like I said, that's how you know I'm not even really like I ain't know I'm a poser when it comes to some of this stuff. But this thing, bought this brand new. The monitor is not brand new. I bought that from somebody. Everything in my computer is brand new except for my graphics card, and everything here on the desk, well, keyboard is used, and my mouse pad is brand new. So, and my mouse I carried over from my last computer, but probably want to get another mouse. But yeah. So hold on, let me figure out the names of this stuff. So we got the Corsair keyboard here. This the K95 RGB Platinum. That's the keyboard I'm rocking with. And while we're at it, I can show you the mouse pad, double M1000. Some of the features, I guess, with this one is got this little section right here. It's like a little wireless charging thing. So you charge this little piece here, put that on there, and then it's basically like another battery for your mouse. And it doesn't only work with like specific mouses, or I guess whichever mouse charges with like a USB. So it comes with little adapters too, so you should be able to be good with whatever mouse you got. But let me show y'all how that runs real quick. But hold on. Whew. Basically, it's already charged, so I got my mouse charging through this USB, but you can take that out and pop this in, like so. And then, oops. Let's see. It should be charging. Hold on. Let's see. Trying to see if I can't remember if lights come on when I do this. I don't think so. But like I said, this here is like a battery. I can't remember how much it actually holds, but he put so it's 500 milliamps. So throw that in there, and then if my mouse was dead, it would then be running off of this. So take my word for it. I've already tried it a few times, so it works well. I did actually try wirelessly charging. Show y'all. I tried to put a phone in that section. It charges so slow, so I don't. If anybody owns this or wants to try it out, I wouldn't suggest charging it like a full-on phone in that little section. That was my idea when I bought it. I was like, damn, that's kind of dope. I could put my phone right here. But nah, it charges way too slow, so would not do that. But so that's basically what I got here, right here. Now let's get into the goods. I'm gonna shut the computer down because I want to open up the glass. Well, I guess I don't really have to do that. I can just open it up. But let's go ahead and maneuver this here real quick. I'm gonna set y'all down for a sec. Let me just go ahead and open this up. So, bam, bam. Bam. That's what we're rocking with. Right in front there, got the GTX 1080 Ti. No, it ain't the RTX. You know, your boy ain't a baller like that. But I did buy this last year, right before the RTX came out. Probably about a couple months before it came out. So I was able to get a pretty decent deal on this one. Still got a few years of warranty on it left. I think I paid for about, I paid like $500 for it. But Power supply, I got a, damn, what is that? I gotta look that up. Let me skip that. I'm gonna come back to that, but I'm using the Ryzen 7 CPU, 2700X. It came with that Wraith cooler. I am gonna eventually upgrade that to some kind of a water cooler. Not anything like a loop or anything. I'm not a custom water loop or anything. At least not yet. I do plan on doing that, but I do want to do some water cooling with that. Right. Well, as far as motherboard, what I got there is the Aurous Gigabyte X470, and got my Gskillz RGB, both for 16 gig each RAM, and yeah, I think that's basically all we need to know. I'm rocking with, you can't see it back there, whatever, but got I think what I got? I believe 500 gigabytes of SSD memory, and then I got a expansion pack in the back, about 2 terabytes of that. It's the M.2 SSD, by the way, so super quick load up times. I can actually give y'all a little test on that, so let y'all see what your boy rocking with. All right, we're gonna shut her down, and as you can see the orange theme until the keyboard decides to do its own thing. Bam. I forgot to show y'all the fans too, but I'll do that once I get back on. Alright. So we're gonna count in seconds how long this takes from the time I press the button. So 1, 2, 3, go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 22 seconds. To me, that's super duper fast, you know. So I know there's some record breakers that probably got their joint to open up 5 seconds after they press the button. This is completely stock, nothing edited, no, I'm not overclocked, I'm not none of that. So, and I'm not even running the fastest of anything. So, just to let y'all know, that's about how fast you can go. Or at least you may be able to get more depending on your knowledge. I don't know any of this stuff. This is my first time doing any of it. So, but yeah. Got 2 fans in the front here. Like I said, I have to maneuver one on the top so I can get some kind of ventilation going out, or going out the back side. I could have put the fan back there. People told me I should just do that, but I don't know. I decided to do that route because I already got the fan on the CPU. I just feel like there's enough ventilation running around back there, but I think I'm good as far as ventilation, but I do want to change some things up. I want to get my other fan here back to the front so I can have my 3 fans in the front. I'm trying to get the water cooler, the double fans at the top attached to my CPU, and then 1 more exhaust fan at the back, and then I'll be set. But I wanted to find out the dang, my power supply amount. Let me see. Let's see. I might have deleted everything out of my Amazon cart, but let's see. No, I didn't. So this should have been the same. Yeah, I got the EVGA Supernova 850 power supply. So that should have been, that's the right one. I didn't buy a lot of this stuff on Amazon. I bought some of it at Micro Center. But yeah, so this is basically everything I got right here. I didn't get this one though. This 1 terabyte, I think, cost a lot. But yeah, there's my setup, man. Long awaited from whoever was waiting for it. I apologize. Y'all did this better. I keep saying that, but 2019 is all about doing, so we're gonna say less. One of my favorite Facebook personalities, or Instagram, whatever, social media personalities, says that. So all about say less, do more. But anyway, man, it's your man Wayne Train. This is my setup. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if we got some computer nerds in the building who can point me out in the best direction as far as my setup. Oh yeah, I forgot to even mention the Corsair. This is the tower I got. Corsair. Let me see. I think I seen this one right here. No, I didn't. But it's a Corsair case. It's the mirror black edition, so it's basically like you can see my reflection, mirror black. So pretty dope. I love it. I'm happy with my setup. I got some more stuff I want to do. We're gonna get into that, and I will be making a video on that for sure when I start doing it. But anyway, man, it's your man Wayne Train. Hit your boy. I'm out.